this tutorial, we'll be going over how to make a mobile navigation placement in the Increase Your Conversion Rate campaign. So this is what it'll look like when you first log into your account. You're going to click on your site name here, and then from there you're going to add a new placement. For this one, we've already added it here. It's this mobile nav one, and under the notification placement. So I'm going to open that here, then I'm going to go into settings to make sure everything is how I want it to be. So we have it named, we want it to be a notification. On desktop it doesn't really matter because it's only going to be showing on mobile. But for the mobile position we want it to be on the bottom. And then we also want it to display for as much time as we can because if we want it to display all the time, we don't want it to have any delay and we don't want users to be able to close it. So none of these are going to be checked here. Then I'm going to hit next and then select the pages that we want it to show on. So I only want it to show on the home page. So for this example, we just have the Ampry homepage URL. And we want it to show every visit to the users. And then the next thing is we want the goal to be the sale or purchase or whatever it is that you've named it. So we're going to go ahead and update that here. And then I want to go and add the template. So I'm going to come up here to the right and click Add Template. And the one we're looking for is this BFS Mobile Nav one. So I'm going to open that. And here we have it here. I like to preview it on mobile just because that's where we're going to be seeing it. It will display on the bottom because we set those settings there, but just for this preview it is at the top. So I'm going to go in and add content, and this is where we're going to add all the different icons and links and everything we want to use. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my library, and I have these icons uploaded already. So for this example we're going to have different types of apparel categories. So first one we're going to link to is a t-shirt. So here your link would be your website /collection /t-shirt or whatever it is that your collection page is. And then we're going to update the headline to say t-shirts. We're going to do it there. And then we're going to do the same thing for image 2. This one I want to be dresses. So here my headline 2 is going to be dresses. Again, my destination URL is going to be the website /collection /dresses or whatever it is you want to link to. We're going to go add this third one in. This one it's going to be shoes. So we'll update that there. Then the fourth one you can either have it be another category page, but for this example we're just going to have it linked to the user's cart. So we'll go ahead and update that here, cart, and then this website would just be ampry.com/cart or whatever it is for your website. And then you can go in and change the design of it. So maybe I want the background color to be like a bluish color to match the Ampry branding. But that's a little too dark because my icons are dark. You can do white icons, you can add any color you want. So I'm just going to go with this gray color so it still stands out a little bit on the website, it's not just white. We don't want the clothes, so I'm going to type in transparent here so that doesn't show. And then here you can update the headline font you want to use. So for this example we want to use Roboto, that's another Ampry font. So that'll change it here, and then you can update the font size to be however big or small you want it. Again, you can change that color. Maybe you want it white, or maybe you want it just to match the icon, so we're going to stick with black. So that's what it'll look like on mobile. Again, it will be at the bottom of the screen, but just for this example, it does sit at the top. So then I'm going to go ahead and click Next. And then the targeting, we want everyone to see it, but we don't want people on desktop to see it. So we're going to make it be a mobile only. And from there, we're just going to create our template and it's ready to go.